We had a lot of challenges. How do we get our products online, get the proper information, get all that information into our ERP system, as well as getting to our customers during the height of COVID? That was a real challenge. So Zoho Commerce really helped us with that, where we were able to actually meet with them online, be able to show them the products online, and they could have access 24/7 to exactly what we have and what solutions we can provide. And some of the new enhancements that have really been nice and resulted in some positive outcomes for us is in Zoho Commerce, a new button flashed up with a slide. Do you want to integrate all of our products in inventory in our normal system with Google Shopping? Well, we said, yes, of course we do. So we slid the button, which was like hitting the easy button. 35,000 items now sync to Google Shopping. As a result of that, over the past year, we've sold in excess of $250,000 from just that enhancement. So we're really pleased with Zoho. It's been a great decision for us.